Everywhere I go, I meet driven women with vision, with purpose, with untapped leadership. I personally feel like there is a Miss Corporate America in so many driven queens. And my desire is to help bring that out of them. My mission is to help women stop shrinking their greatness and start walking boldly into it. My name is Samantha Hill, and I am honored to represent Mississippi as Miss Mississippi Corporate America. I am an author, a coach, an entrepreneur, and a retired cosmetologist. And through every season of my life, one thing has remained the same. And that's my passion for helping others to grow in confidence, in purpose, and possibility. Through my platform, Restart, Rebuild, and Rise, I help women to rebuild their confidence, strengthen their mindset, and position themselves for long-term success. I also educate women on credit awareness, funding guidance, and how to start their business correctly so they can build sustainable futures instead of struggling to survive. Because empowerment is not just inspiration, it's education, it's structure, it's opportunity. Giving back to veterans is also deeply personal to me because service runs throughout my family, from my dad, my husband, my daughter and her spouse, and my son and his wife. If crowned Miss Corporate America, I want to use this platform to help more women to restart with confidence, build with direction, and rise into leadership, business, and purpose. Because when one woman gains the right tools and support, it's like a domino effect. She doesn't just change her life, she changes generations to come.